Outada.
Brighty.
If you tell me what to do, how to do, what to sing.
But you know easy.
Hey, yellow moon, me I do me, and them I do them.
And you hear what? Guess who just passed through the base? Lady D and Jim. So hear what now? What's this? Oh, if things are going on, all kind of stuff and all of them things there. But before we get to all of that, Angel, Skyline TV, it's an honor to have you here tonight. And so you know, so, yeah, you know, but anyhow, you're all about tonight. Yeah, so, alright, Angel. Yeah, I wonder if things are going on, I wonder if things are set. And
like what? We are here, I'm at Friends for Real. Those are the Kids Street today, so I mean, we couldn't miss that event here. We're not event here. I'm a place I'm recording songs for them. I'm in the studio, I'm doing my work, so you don't know, so when they're coming together in the community, they're doing crime and violence, and to end the crime and violence, and to promote good music, good cause, good purpose. I'm here. Yeah.
So other than the fact that you're here to perform later on, are you going to perform?
Sure, why not? Have to.
You do music. Alright, you'll be performing for us later on. But in the meantime, there's been a certain rumors and certain things that's been going on, that's been said about he said, she said. And right now that we have you here, we want you to clear the air and tell us what's been going on. Because at one minute is Spice and then the next minute is Lady Saw. So really
Cut out clear. Better trust them. Look, watch my t-shirt. Better trust them. Cut out clear. We don't have to
trust them.
We don't trust them. They don't worry about me, we don't worry about them. Talk about me, we don't talk about them. Oh, me, my friend, but them only have pretend. Oh, me, oh, my, we don't trust none of them. Right, they say them.
Why you not trust them? Why you not trust them? Why you not trust them?
They cannot be trusted. So we see therefore we cut and clear and we talk about it.
But you and I just do a big tune the other day, what?
The song is what it is. And the music will always live on. You understand what it is?
But isn't it time now we put aside the bygones and have you ever tried putting bygones to the side?
Next topic.
Next topic. What do you have in the pipeline? What do you have in the pipeline? Tell us some of that.
I'm writing songs just in my show. I have a couple of new songs. Friday. My new business that's brand new on DJ Sunshine in Yellow Moon. That's really well. And I mentioned Friday brand new and not just this. A lot of work.
Friday. Tell us something about Friday.
Friday. It's a female kind of stuff. I had a competition on it yesterday on my social media page, and it went viral because we have talked about the woman where. It's like the bed for man. So every time when the man get the things them, we take them back. Yeah. Friday. Yeah. But you know instead of boy can't use your style because you have someone like you don't have nothing in your ear. You don't have the receipt in your ear, you don't have the type in your ear. Everything with the man buy, you don't feel. So you live by one man. You can't get the Friday.
So everything we have in your ear?
After always, forever.
Which way you can't keep?
I can't use my style. My assistant have my car keys. My assistant have my car. We're working on. My assistant goes to that, and he ends up this, don't size up.
No, size up, we just ask some questions. Ask for the car key. Hey, you must have a car key.
Sir, don't do that. You know. Keep your own car key long time for me, anytime. So don't do, sir.
Tell them, hold on, I have a business though. Tell us more about business. What's going on for
I just launched my t-shirt line. Before you know that, I closed down Angels Boutique. You understand? So I just launched my t-shirt line. So what I have on. Friday. My merch. So everyone
come up and make sure you guys are getting this.
Yes. So everyone my songs automatically becomes a merch. So I have what it was long. So I have a Black Friday t-shirt line, it's out now. And now just the t-shirt line. It's coming right now. So you don't know, so right now come out 2019 out.
So right now, is there a rift between you and the king? Just ask him.
Well, I asked him about this one.
Him out there. No, but I want to ask you since you there, so him out there.
Yeah, but nothing to do with
so what we are doing now, we want to get it.
With the child father, sir.
That's exactly my point.
We're raising the child together. What kind of group people have? Don't read.
Alright, so what would you say to the young ladies? What would you say to the young ladies?
Line him, line him,
Alright, so what do you have to say of the young ladies in Tower here today?
just, first of all, stay in school, stay focused, pursue your dream, and nobody get pregnant too early, you know?
What do you call early?
Teenage pregnancy. Be careful with that, because fitness can't raise fitness, so you don't want to get pregnant so young. When you're a teenager, 16 years, but that's when I say when you become an adult. I had my son when I was fully an adult. But go to school, get an education, and be independent. And follow your dreams, believe in yourself.
And what about the young men?
Same thing for the young men. Just be leaders of tomorrow, and just respect women and be very respectful. And just stay on your dream and stay on your task. And everything you have to do is education. And learn a trade. Learn a trade, because education for the males, no trade, and even for the females, learn to do something with your hands. You understand? Say one thing fail, you can't bounce back.
Do you think at some time you'll be going into producing?
Yeah, definitely, because I haven't done my album and I think I'll be producing a track on it. Yeah.
And you think you're recruiting young people who are the ability to do you?
I'm not sure, but I'm always, encouraging them, like a mentorship. I don't have a company side talent or anything like that. It's not something that I rule out, I can't just never know what the future is.
Alright, so when we get to that song, can you share before we leave tonight?
We never bring no in, sir.
Well, she never bring any, but she have one, so it speaks for itself. And people, can we get these t-shirts? Where are they available?
I mean, you can send me a DM, the Angel Music, you can send me a DM, and they're available in Jamaica, and they're with the store soon, in Load Fashion, soon in Kingston, Bargain Mall, and in Montego Bay. So very soon it will be available, but for now, you can just link me, send me a DM via Instagram, the Angel Music, and just place your order, and you'll get it, as long as you're in Kingston, and then I'm shipping out worldwide very soon, because the t-shirts are already on. I'm not, I have a shirt that I'm wearing. But everywhere we go, I have them.
So here I
have them with me. So everywhere I am, you can get a shirt.
We're going to get a shirt free.
I don't have any for males.
You know, me married and me and my wife, so me I'll get her a t-shirt and I'll tell her compliment off the Angel. She's saying nothing, but she'll give you a shirt tonight. The Angel, it's an honor talking to you. Alright, give her a little piece, man. So give her a little piece, man.
Brand new, my money new, my man new, my look new, quick tip like my eyesight new, and that's why it improved. I want you. And so this is the age of the first lady of dancehall. Yeah.
Oh, I mean, thank you.
I can call a baby on his name. I'm going to have full name. Moses Anthony Davis. Big no pop, don't nobody. I'll take care of your body. Don't look up that like she have one beginning. I'll feel like body. When me walk out, can I give my first ladies make some noise in the house? They have some kind of worst day. I don't get to take your wash to come in and take your man. When I use some girl to do the Angel be there with a little first day. For the mic, them a little worst day. Continue by your TV. Give me some more. Give me some more tempo. Give me some more tempo. You see me? I'm going to find me. That's the end of the world. What am I talking about?
The last time I check off me money me spend. Can't lock me secret, me and you can be friend. God angel, you know see me the friend. Got on clear every day, man, we rise against.